Hello everyone. So this is the time to clean our floor. Kasi meron kaming monitoring. So we need to clean our classroom. So ayan, kung nakikita nyo, nag-floor wax ako gamit yung liquid type ng floor wax. So ayan, linis-linis muna tayo. And arrange ng mga gamit sa classroom, and we need to make our room neat and clean kasi merong mga visitors na papasok and magmamonitor ng ating classroom. So ayan, hinihipid ko talaga yung pag-floor wax ng aking sahig para maganda tingnan in one direction. So ayan.